How's it playing with the pro?
Super, lovely, enjoying it and watching them hit those amazing shots is crazy. So I just love it. I think it's a amazing partnership with PGTI, encouraging golf in India. So for all the golfers, it's a really nice event, so we're enjoying it.
You know, there's a long way ahead, but have you beat the pro yet?
I think one of the tee shots I did, I was
bad.
very happy to see my ball flew over the pro's tee shot, so I enjoyed it. Yeah.
And how's the weather holding up for you?
Weather's nice, sunny, and good weather. We're in t-shirts.
Great.
It's almost December, so loving it.
So let's talk about golf and let's talk about the boardroom. What is that one thing that you pick up from the golf course that you don't pick up from your boardroom?
I think the most important piece of golf is very similar to life, right? So it's always the next move, the next shot. You have to forget about what you did on the previous shot. So I think that's something that doesn't get discussed enough in the boardrooms. It's always about your next move. You really don't, in boardrooms we really spend a lot of time in retrospective. It's always about as you play golf, it's always about the next shot. So I think I would also want to draw parallels in the boardroom that let's think ahead most of the time rather than discussing a lot of things retrospectively.
Have you ever cracked a deal on the golf course which you couldn't crack in the boardroom?
I play golf as a passion, so I think I do make a lot of friends, but I don't really discuss much work on the golf course, so it's more about...
That's refreshing,
yeah.
But I know you're getting late to get to your team, so my last question to you is about the labor codes.
Yeah.
What is your view on it?
I think it's a good move. It's equitable now across the country, so earlier there was a lot of difference in the wages across the states. Now with this move coming in, it's going to be more equitable, easier for a lot of corporates to actually put resources across the states. So I think it's a great move by the government in line with all the rationalization, optimization they've been doing. So I think it's all in the right spirit, the right direction for our country.